Well, good morning, Lily. It's good morning, Lily, every morning. Isn't it, Lily? I put my feet on the ground, I get up, I walk out, I make my cup of tea, I walk in here, I check my computer, turn around, and there's Lily. And I'm not going to keep on filming her because I'm going to take Lily outside a little later on today and get some video done. The room is, yes, because Lily was out at all hours last night on the jungle gym, and I wouldn't let her go anywhere but the jungle gym because it was late. And of course when I put her home, she didn't want to go home, she wanted to go up to the hangout spot, but I needed to go to bed, so she didn't get the opportunity to do that. So I'm going to head her up there now before she gets into any mischief, because I do not feel like, oh, my back in the morning is so not good, Lily. It is so not good, sweetheart, at all. So, you know, Lily is not one to just hang on me or sit on me, or well, she will if I kind of keep her here, but Lily is always on a mission to do what Lily wants to do, of course, so there's no peace in sitting here with her and just having a cup of tea, is there? Hey? Be good if you did, but you don't. Hey? Get me moving first thing in the morning, don't you, even if my body doesn't want to. Now I can see you looking at me, comes right up and just looks me fair in the face. And it's like, it's okay. I'm just gonna go do my thing, Mum, don't worry about it, I'll be fine. I think I find Lily to have the most amazing facial expressions. If a snake can have a facial expression, they can. They truly can. And Lily is brilliant at it. Like, she just has that face. Look at this. Look at the mess. Because I was trying to ignore it for as long. Okay, I don't know where I left off. There. I didn't think I pressed off. The camera just went off. So I was saying about coming outside to relax, and boom, my camera decides to do this on me. But I'm not going to let Jack go into the long grass. It is, what are we looking at, 5 o'clock here. The sun is still shining brightly, as it does here. It's still extremely warm here in Queensland at 5 o'clock. Now, good boy, you go to the toilet. I like that, Jack. Good on you, bud. That'll save a mess, won't it? Hey? Get a little bit closer. Not disturb him too much while he's doing his business. But get a little bit closer. Who are you tasting? He? Did you go? Yeah, a little bit. Little bit, hey. Little bit's better than nothing. But yeah, this is where I just come out with one of my snakes and I chill. And I know for some people, they're just so afraid of a snake that, you know, if they did see Jack laying in the middle of my yard, they wouldn't come into my yard. They would be absolutely terrified of this snake laying there. But we all know that Jack is so cruisy and so easygoing that yeah, he wouldn't hurt a fly. Just wouldn't. It's just not in him to be like that. Yes, he can be a bit of a grumpy boy. You know, when he's in shed, doesn't like to be bothered, but that's his prerogative. That is just the way Jack is. He does not like to be disturbed when he's going through that shedding process, and I do not bother him apart from offering him a drink of water. But apart from that, he just lays in his closure and primes himself and gets ready to do that big job of shedding. So, but today, yeah, I want to come outside and just breathe some fresh air. And I don't know if I look like I have, well, I'll get out of that sun a bit, but my eyes feel terrible from pretty much being on a computer most of today, apart from uploading, well, it's a bit close, uploading a video. Of course, being Thursday, that is what I do, is upload. You're going to check that out, are you, Jack, and find out what that thing is there and whether you can climb it? Hey? But yeah, I seem to have spent most of the day sitting on that computer, and I'm, you know, just trying to keep up with other people's channels and support them. But of course I woke up today to a video which made my day of Azzy talking about me on her channel, which is A Snake Diary, Azzy. I'm not, I can pronounce her last name, but I need it in front of me. But you know, she's on my page, so you'll find her there. But yeah, just some very kind words, and I was very honoured that she would do that for me. So that started my day, and it started beautifully. You know, listening to it. What a better way to start your day than hearing from somebody that, you know, I care very much about her. Going to the toilet again, buddy. Okay, well, that's even better. He didn't want to do it in the same spot as where he did before, obviously. Okay, good-o. So yeah, it's chill out time with Jack. It's kind of Lily, Jack, Lily, Jack, Lily, Jack, who will I get out? And Lily was out for quite a while last night, Jack wasn't, so I figured, well, it's we kind of win again, dude. What, are you just going to do a little bit there and a little bit over there? Okay, obviously. But yeah, I don't even remember where I'm at, guys. That's how much my head's spinning today, and how much I'm just bombed on watching YouTube, and I'm not going to be doing it. I'm going to be, of course I will continue to support people, but I'm going to allot a certain amount of time and get to whoever I can in that particular time frame, and then, you know, start again the next day and do the same thing again, catch up with a few. If I don't get to everybody, I don't, because my head just spinning. You know, I have a fairly busy life, and I have several snakes that I need to be taking care of and spending time with. I have my own channel and my videos to do, and that's what I want to do this year, is really focus on my videos, and, you know, maybe pop in the odd one extra here and there, and of course continue doing my live. Where you going, dude? I'll go anywhere and explore. You know, that's, if you go back and have a look at the video of Jesse and the difference in confidence. Even though Jesse, once he's down and he's cruising, he's quite a confident snake, but the difference is that, you know, Jack, he'll toddle off, just like Lily, very confident and wanting to explore and go, not disappearing on me, but certainly want to go and check things out. And Carla actually mentioned to me, you know, that Jack keeps his head low to the ground when he's out, not like Lily. You know, she spends her time with her head uplifted. Jack is kind of low to the ground, and, you know, we sort of wonder whether he's feeling some vibration coming and from the ground, and he's seeking it. I'm not really sure, but because I'm not going to let Jack disappear under the fence, because a car could come zooming up that driveway, and I would not like that to go back out of zoom, you know, have anything happen to Jack. And I don't particularly want to just use one hand, but I will. I'm supporting him right from the middle, so he's okay. You okay, buddy? Yeah, you support yourself on Mum's arm. Okay? Let's go back here on the blanket. Well, you don't have to stay on the blanket. You can go on the grass and do your thing, buddy, but I just love the feel of them. Just feeling them is calming and relaxing. And don't you go back up there. Don't you go back up there, dude. Hang here with Mum, please. I want to come out here and chill. Do you think you could chill? Hey, Lily's not over there. She has been over there, yes, but she's not over there now. So I'm going to... I don't want to keep getting up and down. Not that I'm lazy. I kind of wanted to come out and chill. A bit, Jack. Just a little bit. Okay? So, don't be going back over there. That's a dangerous spot. Past that fence line. Then a car just went up there. And if your head had been stuck out there, I would not have, well, I'd have to yank him, pull football. Yank him through real fast. Oh my goodness. Are you just, what, now he's going to the toilet. No. Jack, got to find the right spot. But you have to find it right next to the the blanket because now I'm going to move a little bit away from it. Actually, I'll move a little bit back into the sun. Again. Well, Jack, you're right now, bud. You won't be on so much of a mission to find that perfect spot, will you? Hey? He's got to get comfy. He's got to, he's got to find that right spot to go to the toilet. Otherwise, he just won't go. And he's already urated over there, and then he come back and he urated over here, and now he's... Oh, and I think I just got bitten by a green ant on me finger. Oh. Oh, that's just wonderful. See, I shouldn't jinx myself and say, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to chill and I'm going to relax and I'm going to unwind. I've just been bitten by a green ant and anyway, not whinging. I'm not whinging at all. I've got Jack and me and nothing else except a pile of, beside me now. So I'm bringing back and come on, dude, come back over here with Mum, please. Okay, you've been to the loo, dude, you've been to the loo. Okay, so you should be happy to not go disappearing too far away. Hey, what do you think? So guys, it's just a video of coming outside and showing Jack a little bit and letting him, of course, use the bathroom. Life story, it seems, with my snakes is come outside and use the bathroom, guys, but it just seems to be the way it is. Well, how I've made it, they know. Smart, very smart. So I'm going to leave it there, of course, and I'm just going to lay back, put the camera down. Oh, just watch Jack cruise around for a little while and enjoy himself. So guys, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your snakes. Ciao.